Good PM. Today is December 4, 2023 Monday, and here are the 3 PM STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sword 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, December 4, 2023. Here are the STL Sword 3 PM result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for Monday, December 4, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for December 4, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.